This is the one of the two parallel sessions here, and the paper readers, and our moderator will be the respected Monkey Singh. He was the principal of Shia College.
To the national seminar on the contribution of folk narratives on Northeast Indian culture, tradition and literature, organized by All Manipur College Teachers Association in association with Oriental College Autonomous Imphal. First of all, I would like to welcome all the delegates, all the resource persons, Monkey Singh, retired principal, CI College, Vishnupur, to moderate the session. Sir, please come on the correct the dignitaries on the dais by presenting lanyard and badges.
The paper readers are Professor Divendra Das, our respected guest of our association. He is one from Assam University.
As his name of his paper is Restoring
part in the culture of even there is already formulated culture of even tries to explore that is known as the Timrao, who dwelt among the kilometers and the 216 kilometers respectively. Kongsang is the railhead.
The Kangmei Harao festival commences on and the 86th day, which is decided by the Pandit Loisan according to lunar calendar or Pavan system.
persons organize this person here. We have a tea break. We have a tea and step please. He became the king of Samok. After coming out of Mongolia, the Namarsi people lived in Montang Kingdom for about 50 years. The king was a Korean man called Motang Hong and had a big
focus the relationship between the plants and this practice of organizing various activities in terms of rituals, in terms of protection is truly rooted and deeply established socio-religious institution.
The next reader will be Dr. Laitonja Mohindro, Department of Human Rights, SQ Women's Scholars Number. The title of the paper is Revivalism of Pakhang Balai and Nongdam Sanglen, Rejuvenate Traditional Culture. Yeah, please continue.
Thank you very much, respected chairperson, convener, and all the respected paper presenters on the dais and all the respected faculty members. My paper is very different from others. This is Revivalism of Pakhang Balai and the Nongdam Sanglen, Rejuvenate Traditional Culture. So it is very practical. I will not go to the theoretical parts of the So Nongdam Sanglen was started in 1979 with the divine verse of the Sita Bumapu. Nongdam Sanglen Pakhang Balai is at Komlahinkol, Waka Impal East, Manipur, at the foothill of the Nongmaiching Hill. The area has been associated with the genesis of the Meitei and its culture. Their protections and preservations are of paramount importance. The objective of the paper is to analyze how the Nongdam Sanglen Pakhang Balai started in this particular area of the Nongmaiching foothill and to understand the significant roles of the Nongdom Sanglen Pakhang Balai Nikol for the revivalism of the Pakhang Balai religion and rejuvenating the traditional culture, to discuss the ritual functions and other activities. The methods of this paper is both the exploratory and the empirical methods. However, most of the data are based on the participatory survey and the personal involvement in different activities of the Nongdom Sanglen Pakhang Balai Nikol during the last 10 years. See, this particular area has also its historical importance. The Mysos, Meitei prophets, and during the dictates of the then king, stayed here, and in spite of many odds, they made it possible for the progression of the Meiteism. From the historical point of view, different puyas describe the significance of the place Nongdom Sanglen in the various forms like Kalongi Nong Chup Ko Saba, Nong Pok Le Hau Sing, Nong Le Le Hau Sing, Salai Lang Mai Ching, and Makok Sing. Aikoyani, Lauremba, and the Tengra. Nong Le Le Hau Pungda, Handuna, Kalongi Nong Chup Ko Saba, the Lining Parithagani, Tupla Pamuk Wege. It indicates the place of where our Maicho stayed and plan to renovate and revive Pakhang Balai at Nongdom Sanglen. Matangi Konglai Tapak Puyasing described historical accounts of the 1745, while Lauremang Kongnan Thaba advised to his followers Maicho the way where they have to settle till the end of life. Taibang Pangi Awa Bakokpa, Mapuktaning Ba, Kibikpo. Tungnaba Mapam, Koyum Lagi, Pautakni. This statement correlates the willingness of the Maicho, Lauremba, and the Tengra to stay and start their aspirations of the revivalism of the Meitei Pakhang Balai. Then, those who want to follow Pakhang Balai should do some ritual process and oath taking by priests in front of the Siddha Mapu to maintain particular code of conduct and ethics. It is mandatory to do Iru Iseng Tauba, bathing in the specific location of river or pond, with a promise by crushing Nongkrang plant to throw out Mayang lining and revive the Meitei lining. Normal function and the ritual observance with a vision to propagate on every Sunday. This places is often on only every Sunday, discussing valuable words of the lion, a holy book of Nongdom Sanglen, that collection of words conveyed by Siddha Mapu through Ketemem Chengbilaima, the founding head of the Lainikol. It is to give awareness on the code of conduct and ethics to be followed by the people. Many people and scholars who intend to search the cultural heritage are also visiting. Besides, research scholars from England visited here and made conversation with the elder priests to know the activities of the Nongdom Sanglen Pakhang Balai Nikol. The scholars from England not only has a well knowledge about the Meitei lining, but also noted down all the conversations in the Meitei street. Many pilgrimages from different parts of the Manipur are normally visited and worshipping. Manipuri who are settled in different countries and states like Myanmar, Canada, Delhi, Silchar, Hosai are participated in the ritual functions. In every year, the Nongdom Sanglen Pakhang Balai Nikol organize some important ritual functions that closely related with revivalism and the traditional culture of Meitei. You can see on the YouTube channel of the Nongdom Sanglen Pakhang Balai Nikol some of the important is here. Lai Kundin Lalu.
Lai Kundin Ari Anok Sinababu Kangnagani Matam Anigi Langdaida Pu Pabu Nixing Javani Apava Nuaiba Nibani Laipak Marataba Sa Hongba Nga Hongba Yekna Tinkang Laitaba Tunjung Majung Toktaba Yontong Kudingda Asi Tong Tingba Asang Tong Hangba Koyumagi Mapamda Nijabani Anoba Kumda Nungai Yaipana Aki Akang ꯂꯩꯇꯅꯕ ꯅꯤꯖꯕꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯤꯟ ꯂꯥꯂꯨꯛ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ
Inga Kumdamba, Ingen Kumkaiba, and Langmanchara Tamba, Chano Katpa, Lepan Kumai.
Bueno na lang bansa tamba ito si Karino. Ay po matanda. Anong lay sila ba ipa ipulayo sila ba ito ay si ipa ay sila na. Ano sila sila pa mo din. Bueno na
Like Kundin Laluk, since time immemorial, our forefathers observed like Kundin Laluk. However, most of us forgot such a valuable traditional culture today. Now in the den, it was done by Apukumarup in different places as per their ritual procedures. Since some years back in 2019, the Nongdam Changlin Pakang Balainikon has been observing like Kundin Laluk with followers at the Nongdam Changlin. It is held at the midnight of the end of the year and at the beginning of the new year, which is in the month of the March, Tasu, 30 Lamta Tasu, and the Sajibu Noma Panba. It is believed that departed soul of forefathers used to come and gather on this midnight on the earth. As such, our forefathers used to pray with ritual functions, practical fresh agricultural products, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and the lighting for well-to-do in future generations. The Nongdam Changlin Pakang Balainikon is a very unique in the sense that it is done by the grace of Sidaba Mapu. Nongdam Changlin Pakang Balainikon will revamp the traditional Maitaism, which is a unique religion replete with traditional culture ethos of the Maitai. Thank you.
Interaction. So, respected delegates are requested to be ready.
Next, I request Dr. Laikunzu Muhindro, Department of Human Rights, S. Pula, Women's College, Nambol. Sir also presented very nice. Such paper is quite different from other papers. Sir paper's name is Revivalism of Pakhang Balaining and the Nongdam Sanglen Rejuvenate Traditional Culture. Thank you, sir.